skyline, electric gold. The world is watching a dream unfold. Our minds are pulsing, our hearts align, tuned to the rhythm of a grand design. From laughter and love towards what we claim, the future is calling out Ash name. We waited in faith, now the spark's begun. The dream is alive, the journey's fun. Ready to go, our souls ignite, dancing beneath the victory light. From dream to motion, from faith to flow, the power within us begins to show. Ready to go, no fear, no chains, grace in our circuits, hope in our veins. The platform's open, the world will know, together we rise. Ready to go. Priority hearts, refined by fire, chosen to lift the world up higher. Responsibility, a holy art, written in courage, signed by the heart. The training begins, our spirits align, world-class purpose by design. Award-winning truth in a neon glow. The pulse of tomorrow is set to show. Ready to go, our souls ignite, dancing beneath the victory light. From dream to motion, from faith to flow, the power within us begins to show. Ready to go, no fear, no chains, grace in our circuits, hope in our veins. The platform's open, the world will know, together we rise. Ready to go, the ground is shaking, hearts awake, the stars recall each step we take. Ash build a fire, no doubt can drown, a rhythm of faith that wears the crown. From silence to sound, from waiting to flight, we've crossed the horizon into the light. The future's free, our spirits soar. This is the dream we've waited for. Ready to go beyond the sky, 1,000 souls electrified. Victory whispers through faith and flame, a world reborn in His holy name.